Hi class, today we're going to be making an origami boat, and I have a story to share with you after I'm done. So first you're going to take just a white piece of paper. I like to draw just lines on one side. You could color it if you'd like. First we're going to fold it in half so that the short sides touch each other. And make sure that you crease it. I like to use my thumbnail to push down to make a nice hard crease. Okay? Then make sure that the opening is at the bottom. We're going to take this and fold it in half again. And then I want you to pay attention to where the line, the crease line is here in the middle. I'm just going to trace it for you just so you can see what I'm doing, but you don't have to trace it. We're going to take the top corner and we're going to fold it down to match that vertical crease line. Take the other top corner and fold it down. So now it looks like a triangle. Now notice we have the two flaps down here, okay? So this flap is going to go up to secure these flaps. Then flip it over and fold this up. Okay? Now you can stick your thumbs in there and it kind of looks like a hat. Okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to stretch the hat open this way so it looks like a diamond. And these flaps here, you want to tuck them in underneath each other. So tuck that in there, flip it over, tuck this in. Okay, and make sure that it's all flat. Now we're going to take this flap and fold it up to the top and crease it, flip it over, fold this up to the top and crease it. And then you stick your thumbs in the bottom again and you stretch it open. Now it looks like an admiral's hat, which is a leader of a ship. Okay, you want to lay it flat. The diamond again, and you'll notice there's these corners up here that can open. So that's how we're going to make the boat, is by pulling these out to the sides and then kind of flattening it and then kind of popping it open, and that makes your boat. Okay, now I'm going to tell you a story that I heard when I was a child. I'm not exactly sure if I'm saying it correctly, but I remember it was a really neat story, and so I've kind of made it my own and come up with my own details. Once upon a time, there was an old sailor who went sailing out in the ocean in his paper boat. But then a storm came, and lightning struck the top of the boat, and it broke the top, the mast and the sails off of the boat. But the storm went away and he kept on sailing. But then a giant squid came up and grabbed onto the back of the boat, and it ripped the back of the boat off and it carried it away. But the old sailor kept on sailing his boat. And then, dum dum, dum 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 dum, a shark came and bit the front of the boat and ripped that off. And all of them sank down to the bottom of the ocean. Many years later, some scuba divers went looking for the remains of the boat. Splash! And they went all the way down to the bottom of the ocean. And this is what they found. A simple white t-shirt. The end.